water! We can't hold! Run for your lives!
Cowards. You will fight or you will die.
I am Captain Gabriel Angelos of the Blood Raven's 3rd Company. Status.
My lord, forgive me. We have done all we can to stop the orks, but we have failed. My men's lives are yours.
You stood your ground in the face of the Emperor's foes. You've done your duty. If your men have failed you, I will leave their judgment in your hands.
Thank you, my lord.
I am not here for your thanks. This port must be held if we are to maintain troops and supply lines to the planet's surface. That is why we are here. Now, what of the wounded and the civilians?
Stranded. We have few ships.
Then you shall have more. All Blood Raven flights execute Protocol 23 and initiate civilian evacuation. We will dispatch the ground forces.
Yes, my lord.
Ground forces, my lord. But the orks have retreated.
You must know your enemy to defeat them, Colonel. Orks only retreat to regroup. They will keep coming until you or they are dead. Brothers, let us destroy this alien filth.
Take and hold.
What a glorious day
my
for a
shield.
battle. As the stronghold, our frontline battle headquarters
Moving
is
out.
currently being assembled.
denies faith.
We should proceed with caution until it is finished. We must start capturing strategic
Today,
points.
the enemy shall
These
know
3
fear.
closest strategic
By
points
my
will do for
command.
now.
Attack.
Let us capture them first, and then move on to the others.
Yes,
Splendid. The stronghold is complete. We must now set about establishing a proper frontline base.
At your command.
Today, the enemy shall know fear.
Awaiting orders. The area is secure. Taking damage. At your command. Objective logged.
Here to serve. With all due haste.
What is your order? At your command. Understood.
Today, the enemy shall know fear.
Greenskin.
Excellent.
Yes,
The chapel
sir.
barracks is finished. Now you can build some more Space Marine squads.
Yes, Lord. I will do as you ask.
We are the Emperor's chosen.
Here to serve.
If we are to defeat these orcs, we will
Yes,
need to
sir.
call in some special weapons. We must build an armory to get access to them.
We stand ready. Marine squad deployed. Moving out. Weapons at ready. It is time. We are the Emperor's chosen. Orders received. Taking damage. Space Marines attack! We stand ready. Marine squad deployed.
Excellent.
Moving out.
The armory is operational.
Onward
The Space Marine
to
squads can
glory.
now upgrade their standard bolters to flamers and
Yes,
heavy
Lord.
bolters. Those Imperial Guardsmen look like they could use some assistance.
Idleness.
Come, brothers, make haste.
Onward,
Our prayers have been answered.
glory.
Here come the Space
He who
Marines!
stands with me shall be my
For the
brother.
Emperor.
Well done.
Fear denies
We have captured
faith.
several strategic
Understood.
points. Capturing strategic
Ever
points and
vigilant.
building listening
Orders
posts on them
received.
earns us more requisition resource, which we can use when we build squads and equipment. We must not forget
This
our power
day
needs.
shall be a glorious
Building a
one
plasma
for the
generator
Imperium.
will supply us with the power we need to keep our force going. It is time to hunt down the source
We
of these
stand
orks.
ready.
They must have a base
Moving
somewhere
out.
within the walls of this Imperial
Onward
facility.
to glory.
Where? Look, the Emperor and
protects.
Ork camp. And look there,
Stay
a break
vigilant,
in the
brothers.
spaceport's defensive
Weapons
wall.
at ready.
They must
It
have
is
blasted
time.
their way in. We must destroy this Ork camp and any others these foul
Weapons at
creatures
ready.
may have
It is
constructed.
time. Under
Excellent.
fire.
This Ork camp has been
This
destroyed.
day shall be a
Faith is
glorious
our
one
shield.
for the Imperium.
Yes, most beneficent one.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
Attacking as ordered. We will crush the enemies of the Imperium.
We are the Imperial Guard. It is time
Orders
we started
received.
acting like it.
What's your
Excellent.
order?
The point is now protected from an Ork retaliation. We should
Claim
continue
it
to
in the
build
name of
listening
the
posts
Emperor.
on all
My
our
faith
captured
is my
points.
shield.
Onward to
Regroup!
glory. The enemy is attacking.
My faith is my shield.
Yes, Lord. As you wish.
Ever vigilant.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
Stay vigilant, brothers. Fear denies faith. Attacking as ordered. We stand ready.
Praise the Emperor. Agreed. Follow me into battle.
We stand ready. Engaging the enemy.
What would you have?
Taking heavy fire.
Yes, most beneficent one.
Yes, my lord. Orders received, brother. What is your order?
Reporting for duty, sir.
Lehman Russ here. You've got it.
Yes, most beneficent one.
My faith is my shield.
Fear our wrath. Stay vigilant, brothers. Cleanse, purge,
Heavy
kill.
support available.
Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic. Praise the Emperor. My aim shall not falter.
Faith is our shield. Awaiting orders. Orders received. Maintain attack. We stand ready.
The Emperor protects.
Form up, men! There's work to be done!
Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic.
Armor reporting.
Awaiting orders.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
Heavy support available.
The Emperor protects.
We are the Emperor's chosen.
Praise the Emperor.
Stay vigilant, brothers. Taking heavy fire. Initiating attack protocol 23. Initiating attack protocol 23. For the glory of the Imperium. For the glory of area secure. Charge!
Space Marines! Attack!
Cleanse, purge, kill! Yes, my lord. Moving out. Stay vigilant, brothers. Cleanse, purge, kill! Orders received.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
Heresy grows from idleness. Ever vigilant.
Heavy support
Form up,
available.
men! There's work to be done!
Ever vigilant.
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
We are the Emperor's chosen.
Walk softly and carry a big gun.
Yes, my lord. Onward to glory!
Walk softly and carry a big gun. Faith and duty.
Ever vigilant. Moving out. Moving out. Strategic point identified.
The Emperor protects.
What's your order? For the glory of the Imperium.
Praise the Emperor. Confirmed. Agreed. Excellent.
Direct
This
us to
orc
the
camp
enemy.
has been destroyed.
At your command. At your command. For the Emperor!
Beware the alien.
We stand ready.
The heretic.
Here to serve.
We are the Emperor's
Yes,
chosen.
Lord.
Objective achieved. Fear denies faith. Cleanse, purge, kill. What is your order?
Today the enemy shall know fear.
What is your order?
What would you have me do?
Orders received. We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. At your command. We stand ready. Orders received. Fear our wrath. Taking heavy fire.
Walk softly and carry a big gun.
Heavy support available.
Stay vigilant, brothers. Fear our wrath.
Walk softly and carry a big gun. On alert, brothers. The enemy
Fear
must be
denies
nearby.
faith. Strategic point identified.
Lehman Russ here. Heavy support available.
Yes, Lord. Build routine 721 initiated.
The enemy is attacking.
My faith is my shield.
Heavy support available. On our way.
What is your order? Ever vigilant.
Lehman Russ here. Moving out.
Heresy grows behind us. Charge.
Lehman Russ here.
At your command. We are the Emperor's chosen. The area is secure. Faith is our shield. Moving out. Faith is our shield.
Today the enemy shall know fear.
Yes, most beneficent one. With all due haste.
Armor reporting.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
Understood. Stay vigilant, brothers.
Armor reporting.
Taking damage. Orders received. Weapons at ready. It is time.
Praise the Emperor.
We are the Emperor's chosen.
Lehman Russ here.
Engaging the enemy. Faith is our shield.
Lehman Russ here. You've got it.
Awaiting orders.
The Emperor protects.
Orders received.
Lehman Russ here.
What's your order? Attacking as ordered. Attacking as ordered.
There, that's the last of them. Well done, Blood Raven. Praise the Emperor. Victory is ours.
Faith is our shield.
Excellent. What would you have This
me do?
orc camp has been destroyed. This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
Here to serve. I will do as you ask.
Today the enemy shall know fear.
Orders received, brother.
Yes, most beneficent one. I will do as you ask.
Praise the Emperor. Plasma generators will continue to produce power at a constant rate. But there is a limit of how many plasma generators can be built per stronghold.
I am honored to be in the presence of a librarian. I wish to know how my men can better serve you.
We shall wait for the captain to finish his prayers. I saw you stand against the orks. You are a brave man, Colonel. I wish I could say the same of your men.
I shall strengthen their resolve, my lord.
See that you do, or we shall do it for you. You have something you wish to say. Say it, Colonel.
How did you know?
Even without my psychic gifts, it is obvious. Speak.
Is it true your company eradicated a heresy on the planet of Cyrene recently? An exterminatus, down to the planet's last man, woman, and child.
Colonel, your company is welcome, but such questions are not. Do not ask the captain about Cyrene if you intend to remain in his good graces. Brother Captain, the Colonel wishes an audience with you.
Thank you, Isidore.
My lord, my Tartarus 37th Imperial Guard Regiment stand ready to serve you in protecting the city. They wish to make amends for...
They will have many opportunities to prove themselves warriors worthy of the Emperor. The Blood Ravens are leaving the city. Its protection is in your hands.
I will ready my men. May I ask what your next course of action is?
Orcs only respect strength. I intend to show them that we have it in ample supply.